Meaning of expansionist.
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 Expansionist. The term expansionist refers to a political belief or ideology that advocates for the expansion of a nation's territory or influence. Expansionists often view territorial expansion as a means of promoting national security, economic growth, and cultural superiority. However, the result of expansionism can have negative consequences, such as military conflict, displacement of indigenous peoples, and exploitation of resources. Historically, expansionism has been a major driver of imperialism and colonialism, leading to cultural assimilation and loss of autonomy among people who were colonized or annexed.